Okay, here's a few examples of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres. Material's been wetted. These have been partially ground. First piece, basically green stone over on the side there. Nice deep blue purples over here. Maybe cut that face off through there. Then you end up with another little stone on the end here. And then another piece over this side. Lucky last but not least, I'd be cutting that off, and might be a sacrifice, but see what this level is here. Doesn't come through, but there's indication of it there, so but that's thick enough that you could actually cut it through here somewhere, and fine blade, and end up with two stones perhaps. Anyway, it's up to you. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.